Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy Cash Out Fridays, all right? Happy Cash Out Fridays. Somebody liked one of my messages right here. Like I tell y'all, hit me up, comment, ask me questions, follow me on Instagram at Free Online Money Maker. I will help you, all right? I will help you. Let's dive into it right now. Happy Cash Out Friday. I know the time is 12:12, all right? So it's technically Saturday. I'm a little late. All right, people, I'm a little late. This new schedule is crazy. So it's just been work. All right. So this right here is gonna be a PaidViewPoints video. All right, PaidViewPoints video. Let me go to my PaidViewPoint site right here. All right, on my PaidViewPoints right here. All right, $174.46. All right, people, this video right here, I'm trying to show you what you can do once you start using my system. Start cashing out, start recording your videos on YouTube or any other platforms. Start sending your links out there. Share your links with your friends. Share your links with everybody. All right, it's up to you to just start doing it little by little. All right, and you're gonna start getting some points. You're gonna be able to go in there, follow my tutorials, do the exact steps I'm telling you. I'm telling you step-by-step tutorials. All right, so this is gonna be just a review video just to show you guys how much is on here. 174.46. I might be cashing this out soon, depending on how my NFL account is looking. I also got an NFL video I'm doing right after this, and I also have another special video coming out for y'all. I got a new site. All right, a new site, a new app that you could use. All right, so a lot of amazing things is happening right now. All right, but you just gotta stay patient. Just stay patient on every single day basis. We're gonna get everything done, but it's gonna take some time. You're gonna have to build it up. But one thing is, once you get it going, you're gonna basically have it forever. So it's up to you. Nothing lasts forever, but you know what I mean, right? You're gonna have this for a very long time. Like this site right here, until this site shuts down and closes and doesn't want to. That's the only time I'm not going to use the site. And this site is very, very trusted. All right. So it's PaidViewPoints right here. $174.46, $231.45, $454.21. This is not nowhere near real money right now. All right. This is not, what am I going to do with this money? Right. It's not enough money, but guess what? It's something. All right. This is what I try to teach y'all. Try to teach y'all how to make money online 100% free. Once you start making money, then you take that money and you invest it in other things that make you money, and you just continue to do that. And you keep doing that, you're gonna have a snowball effect, all right? But you gotta believe in what you're doing, all right? Like this, I believe in PaidViewPoints and what I'm doing, all right? So this is why I'm getting people to sign up. People are looking interested in it. It's 100% free. I give you step-by-step videos and Q&As. You can hit me up, ask me anything. So it's up to you. It's up to you on some spare time. This is my easiest site, all right? The easiest money maker that I have, all right? The easiest money maker that I have, all right? So let's dive in here. As you can see, I got PayPal, Amazon, or Walmart gift card, all right? $174. Once I cash this out, all right, I'm just gonna go over it. Like I said, I have so many different videos on PaidViewPoints. I have videos that I'm showing you how to do surveys. I'm showing you what to click and how to click and what type of questions to look for. So you have to watch my videos. All right, it's up to you so you can get the step-by-step knowledge to know exactly how to use this site. And little by little, at first you're not going to be making anything. You're just doing it just to build it up. Once you get your trade score to 10,000, all right, so your trade score right here, once you get that to 10,000, that's when you're going to be able to really do something. All right, and then you're going to start getting a steady basis of surveys. And if you've been sharing your account and you know, talking to people and sharing your link, other people are signing up as you're trying to get to this 10,000. So once you get to this 10,000, for fast people, somebody hit me up and told me it took them 2 months. Another person hit me up and told me it took them 6 months. So it depends. If you're really interested in it, every time they send you a you can set it up where they can send you an email every time somebody every time there's a what's this that I just clicked? Okay, I just clicked it just to show you guys. All right. Yeah, they can send you an email every time a survey is available. See, I got one available right now. I don't do this. I don't do the email thing. I just check rapidly every single day. I just check every time I just think about it. I check. What do? I just go to the site. It loads up. I log in. Once it logs in, it pops up and tells me if a survey is ready. All right, that's all I do. That's all I do. All right. Now they have some new thing that says improve trade score. I don't want to. What does this mean? I can't improve trade score. I'm already at 10,000, so I'm gonna touch this. I don't know what this does, but I'm not gonna mess with this button. I should just click it. What is this? I'm gonna have to contact support. What is this? Your goal is to achieve trade score of 9,000 or better. That will place you in the top 10% of PaidViewPoint members, and means you will earn more for each answer, which is true. Now it says improve trade. How can I improve it if I already got the 10,000? So what's this gonna bring this down? It's gonna go up again. It might go up to 20,000. It might be a new bar. Ooh, it might be a bar from 10,000 to 20,000. I'm gonna ask them what this is for, because I don't want something to be funny over here. I don't want to mess with this account right here. All right, people just want to add money to it. $174.46. I'm gonna have a video where I click this and find out what this is, but I'm not doing that right now. If do me a favor, anybody watching this, if you have this in this area of yours, if you're a 10,000 trade score member, and you have this on here, can you send me can you send me some info on that? If you clicked it or not, what happens? But I'm not clicking it. I'm not doing it. All right, so let's go to that's how you get your trade score out. Once you get your trade score out, share your link. By the time you do that and you keep going, it's gonna build. It took me like, I don't even make a lot of money on this. I'll probably make $1. I'll probably make $1 to $3 max on this site right here every single day because of my referrals. All right, I'll do some surveys and stuff. Sometimes it'll be 70 cents, sometimes 50 cents, sometimes $1, sometimes it's 10 cents because I don't answer the questions the right way. They want me what they're looking for. I don't answer them the right way. So it's different things that you can do. All right, it's different ways that you could go into this. Because if you do a lot of surveys and you're doing the right way, they're gonna send you more and more. So you're gonna have more surveys than most people because you're already at 10,000. All right, so it's on you. If you get a lot of 10-cent surveys, that means you just answer them right, or that they were all filled up, so they just gave you 10 cents just because they have no more openings to pay you more money. All right, so that's why. So don't get all mad and you know, don't get upset if you're not getting a lot of surveys that are paying you 50 cents and $1 and $1.50 and stuff like that. All right, so you just got to keep going. All right, so now 174. I'm not gonna cash out. I just want to show you guys, if I was to cash out, you get the whole thing. All right, let's talk about the money. If you cash out, I get the whole thing. You get the whole thing is gonna cash out. All right, so you got to be aware of that. All right, so right here, I'm gonna want to show you guys something else right here. I did the trade score, I did the money. Oh, that's what I meant to tell you. I was gonna show you something else, but I think I can't go. Oh, I'm gonna try it. Next. Hold on. 174.46. Now, if I was to cash out through PayPal, I'll go straight to my PayPal. If I cash out Amazon, most likely they're gonna send me a gift card from Amazon or a voucher from Amazon. $174.46. Walmart, they're gonna send you a gift card with $174.46 on it. Okay. All right, now I'm not sure if you take fees or anything. I don't do that. I just do straight cash. So if you do PayPal, you're gonna get the whole thing. You're gonna get the whole thing. All right, no fees, nothing like that. This is what you're gonna get. So, like I said, no crazy numbers, but all this was made 100% free. You have to understand that. All these numbers I'm showing you. Yeah, it's not a lot of money, but I take it out. I can do something with it. It's better than nothing. So, and it was free. You have to understand, it's better than nothing. And it was free. There's no reason why you shouldn't want to do this. All right. So that's the PaidViewPoints. I'm gonna go to my survey that's waiting right here. And if this survey doesn't open up too much and it says it's not confidential, I can record this. If I can't, I'm gonna have to stop. All right. Below are some brands sell packaged salty food snacks. Which, if any of these brands have you purchased in the past 6 months? Let's do this here. I don't pick everything just because I don't want them to feel like I'm just trying to, fill in a survey. Do you own a timeshare residence? There we go. What activity do you enjoy the most? See, this is where they want you to answer exactly what they're looking for, because this could be a hiking survey. Let me show you. This could be a hiking survey. This could be a travel survey. See, this could be a gym, fitness, yoga survey. You don't know what survey it is. So this could be a video game survey. You don't know. So when you're clicking this, You just gotta keep it real. What activity do you want to enjoy the most? Say running and jogging. You didn't say basketball? I like playing basketball. Maybe down there looking for somebody without that. I'm just playing video games. Why not? Which of these activities or hobbies do you enjoy? I enjoy all of this. Look at this. I don't even know what to ask. I don't know about that. Revolutionary competitive eating. Do you travel on business? Yes. Which of these items do you own? Which of these items do you own? Actually, more stuff. I don't have a rower. I don't have a stepper. I have weights, exercise, bike, why not? It's going to be a bike survey. Do you purchase alcohol at restaurants or bars? Who doesn't? Which of these following have you researched or purchased in the past 6 months? This one I just sprinkle some answers in that I think that'll be a survey about. That's all it is. You don't want to fill in everything every single time they're going to notice that. So you want to act like you're being like really. Which of the following better luxury searches you typically use? Tide, chair, draft, which of these items do you own? Let's see here. What happened? Yeah, see, I didn't answer them the way they wanted, so they gave me 10 cents. See what I'm saying? But it shouldn't matter to you because look, you have another 10 cents right here. So you just keep doing them. Just keep doing them. I'm going to do this on a separate video. All right. So I just want everybody out there to see that you can do this. It's going to add up. So I still got 10,000 trade score. I've been here forever and I still get 10 cents service. I didn't answer it the way they were, it was what they was looking for. Each survey always opens up. If I was answering it the way they was looking for it, the survey would have opened up. I would have made some more money on the survey. Remember when I had to pick the question, what hobby do I like the most? So you got it. It's hard. You got to figure that out. You know, just put what you like, and it is what it is. You get the survey, you get it. If you don't, you don't. But sometimes situations like that, you want to pick what you think the survey is going to be about. So you got to understand that too. All right. So yeah. So just keep grinding. Continue doing your thing. Continue doing what you have to do. You see, I got one more survey left, $174.56. Happy Cash Out Fridays, all right? But I'm not cashing this out. I'm going to do another video where I happy Cash Out Friday. I cash everything out, show you guys what's going on. This video right here just showing you what you can do, all right? Just let this money build. And when I do cash this out, I can actually do something with it because it's over $150. So you can actually do something with it. So it's up to you to just let it build. Just let it build. Why not? It's 100% free. Follow my videos. I teach you how to do it. All right. Stay tuned for my next couple of videos. Major videos coming out. Check out my new YouTube channel, Autoland Jesse. Watch that video. Show me some love. Please subscribe. All right. Show me some love. New channel. Only got 5 people. All right. So I really need y'all out there. Start showing me some love on my other channel. And remember, follow me on Instagram at Free Online Moneymaker. Ask me anything, and I will help you out. All right. I will help you out. Read my comments under my videos. I do help people out. All right. Free Online Money Maker signing out. Peace.